Hey everyone, welcome back to the Food Locker. Today we are making beef and cabbage stir fry. Cabbage is one of my favorite vegetables. This dish is super easy to make at home and super delicious. I'm going to show you how to cook this tasty, flavorful dish in a simple way. Let's get started. First, prepare 2 green onions and cut the stem part into 1 to 2 inch pieces. You can use more green onions, depends on your preference. Prepare 3 cloves of garlic and cut them finely. You can use a blender to do it for you. Cut 3 slices of ginger. The skin can remain, as I'm too lazy to remove it. Next, prepare half a carrot and peel the skin off. Cut and remove the wood. Then slice the carrot into thin, quarter-inch pieces. It could be difficult to soften if it's too thick. Then, for the cabbage, we will only use half. Remove the core carefully. It is too hard and doesn't match our dish. Cut it into small pieces, about 2-inch thick slices. Separate the layers of leaves and then wash them to clean. Now for the beef, cut the beef into thin slices. Cut it across the direction of the muscle fibers. This will make the beef more tender and prevent it from being tough and chewy. Then marinate with soy sauce, sugar, cornstarch, black pepper, and some garlic, not all of it, and a little water. Mix it evenly and make sure every beef slice is covered by the sauce. Last step, add a little oil and mix it all together. The oil can help seal the sauce on the beef surface. Let it marinate for about 30 minutes in the fridge. Preheat the pan and add oil to the surface. Add ginger into the pan and let it cook for a while. The ginger flavor will release into the oil. Then we cook the carrot first since it is harder to soften. While we cook the carrot, we can add part of the green onion into the pan to cook with it. Try to stir fry both sides of each slice of carrot. This way, the carrot can absorb the flavor from the ginger and green onion. When the carrot starts to soften, you can smell a strong carrot aroma in the air. At this time, it is time to add the cabbage into the pan. Lightly mix them together to let the flavor spread more evenly. Add some water and cover with a lid to let them steam cook for around 40 seconds to 1 minute. You will see the vegetables are mostly cooked but still a little firm. Let's put them aside and start cooking the beef. Again, preheat the pan and add oil to the surface. After the oil heats up, it's time to add the beef into the pan. Cook the beef until about 30%. Then add the garlic and stir fry for a while. Then we can add some cooking wine. The wine will make the flavor stronger and more tasty. Let it cook until the beef is mostly done. Then add the vegetables back into the pan. Stir fry everything together on high heat. When the ingredients are fully cooked and ready to serve, add the rest of the green onion. And we are done! All the vegetables and beef are coated with sauce. The vegetables are still green and crunchy. They look amazing and colorful combined with the carrots. The beef is still juicy and tender. It is a very delicious dish and an easy one everyone can make at home. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you next time. Bye!